Queen Cuisine is presenting an international snack which is known as TangHulu, which is a candy fruit snack originating from China. Now, traditionally, it uses red Harthoon's berry dipped in a sugar syrup and is served on a bamboo skewer. But instead, I'm going to do like the photo that you saw before. I'm going to do the strawberries and green grapes combination as well as placed on bamboo skewer. And I'm still going to do the same process. First and foremost, I cannot stress, make sure you wash thoroughly your fruit. Okay, baking soda vinegar is always great. And then, of course, you want to dry them off thoroughly as well. That's why you see me patting them down. So let's get started. You want to have a pot filled with 1 cup of water and 2 cups of sugar. You can actually do more, but you just want to make sure you double up on those contents base. And of course, as it's heating, you want to stir the content consistently so it does not stick at the bottom. Now, it's a matter of having this content come bubbling, boiling. Okay, it's great to use a thermometer temperature checker because then you can know whether your temperature is over 220, which is what you want to have. Oh yeah, I got it. So now let's fill up a bowl filled up of cold ice water. Why? Because when you swirl it all in this syrupy stuff, you want to throw it also into the cold water as well so it can cool off. And then you want to pop them back out and lay them on a towel. Why? Because that is going to help it harden even more so it gets that crunch. I tell you, they do taste good. TangHulu, Queen Cuisine by Queen.